often we want to write a number that is written in one base in terms of another base. So for instance, we can see that the first 5 numbers written base 10 and the first 5 numbers written base 2, and we can figure out that, well, 0 corresponds to 0, 1 corresponds to 1, 2 corresponds to 10, 3 to 11, and 4 to 100 in these different bases. But if we had a large base 10 number that we wanted to convert to base 2, we wouldn't want to have to go through the trouble of writing out both of these lists and then comparing them. So we'd like to have a better way of converting these. Note that in base 10, numbers can be written as powers of the base. So 234 can be written as 2 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 4 times 1. And all the numbers in the parentheses are powers of 10. That is, this is 2 times 10 squared plus 3 times 10 to the first plus 4 times 10 to the 0. This is true for any number base. So to convert from base 10 to a lower base, we use division. We convert from base 10 to base 2 by successively dividing by the base that we want to convert to and keeping track of our remainders. So if we start off with 23 divided by 2, then we get 11 remainder 1. Then we divide 11 by 2 to get 5 remainder 1. Then we divide 5 by 2 to get 2 remainder 1. Divide 2 by 2 to get 1 remainder 0. And then now we divide this 1 by 2 to get 0 remainder 1. And notice there's nothing more to divide by because our number in front is now 0 and we're left with the remainder of 1. So now that we've kept track of these remainders, we just go back and read them in a row, and the number that we convert to in base 2 is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 23 base 10 is equivalent to 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 base 2.